When God slows you down, it can feel unsettling. Not because anything is wrong, but because movement became how you measured faithfulness. But what if the slowing isn't resistance? What if it's redirection? Throughout Scripture, God rebuilds his people in stillness. Before he sends them forward, he restores what must endure. Rest is not failure, it's rebuilding. If movement feels quiet right now, trust this. God is strengthening what will carry what comes next. Read or listen to the full blog post, Rest as Rebuilding, When God Slows You Down on Purpose, at heavenspeaks.co.